Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Hublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 kan pelong ya kejungelang kerpang bat kilat pathai khubor varta da katanat pathai khubor shillong ha kejungi trailang bat ka Shillong Press Club. Kajungelang kalawan ra lang ya kisur bakongsan na kilat pathai khubor bar ki kampen berngya banyakran halor kilat kilinti ki basngotenat bar ki jingpen wandur baka webs ka kular na kabenta ki nong thau khubor na India ha ka kerdan perthai. Ka webs ka ai ka rynsan ka bakraw na kabenta ki nong thau jing thau na India ban pinya so ha ka perthai bar ban pin i ya ki riti duster bar rius pa jongi ha ka bayathu khana. Kapanya so lang ya ki riu shampang ki nong thau ki nong beiting ka bat ki nong yu ijngai ha ka technology ha ka wei ka rynsan ban ya trailang ban ya sam jingmut bat ban thau ya ki jing ya trailang ki bathamai. Ong ka ai ban mauri kala batai bnya halor ki benta ba kongsan jong ka webs kentup ya ka create in India challenge ka webs bazar na ka benta ban pinya yo ya ki mar ki jing ya le kai live badon ki nong rai na kari bat nabari. Bar kijing yelang yakran bar kinong thau policy ba kongsan haka kam pathai khubor bar kampen berngya. Unong thau content u Ferdinand Rani u belatip rukum ukut Freeman. Ulai sam ya kijing yo i jeng u halor kijing kala jeng kejuk jeng kilat pathai khubor. Kilan hapdeng kilat pathai khubor ten rai bar kilat pathai khubor pajba kinang kham jiliu. Ka Webs 2025 katemu ban penpra ya kini kiput ban wanra iki briu naman lagi dong jengkakam syakawi ka rynsan ka bayadilang ulaong. U Gopachit Das, Assistant Director jengka PIB Shillong, ulayathu ya ka jingtemu ka badan halindat jengka Webs da ka bapengsan ya ka benta jengka ban kentiu ya ka India kum ka jaka pedeng jengka perthai na ka benta ban shna ya ki jingtho. Ban beitingka ban net shabar hapo ka jingtemu create in India udas ulapan pau ke jingdon kam jong ke jing yelang ba ha ka pen i ya ke jingla ban thau jing thau jong ke India ha ka perthai. U aktor bat nong shna content udawan khar kongor bawan shaka webs arajar arpsan ha Mumbai kum unong mi khmat na Meghalaya. Ula banjur ya ke jingdon kam jong ke jing thu khana ha ka than ha ka kam pathai khubor ha ka perthai. Ka webs kan yarap ban pen kraw ki khana tang ki ktien ber ki culture jongi sha ka perthai. Kum ubriu ubraya le shisien namar ka jingbam la ban yorung bar ka jingya day ban nong shibenta jong ka webs menta ban mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya ka long kum ka jingjap ka bakraw. Uhuzin uday uway ni ginong to kubor jong ka than chate lam mingi uban wan shaka webs 2025 kum shibenta jong ka press tour bala pelong da ka PIB. Umak Ryan imni ubadang arpu arsnem karta na lomau ba opo Shillong ulayo e ka jaka ha ka top 10 jong ka resonate the EDM challenge unpin i ka surten rai jong u ha ka webs 2025 ha Mumbai.
Kani ka webs ngai kiba dan ngai ki kila ai sekira don ne kila patai khnyak bede bat kani ka webs ni kata ka World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit kaban long thia hapo kanong ba Mumbai Hamjala Maharashtra dan Kushitri kanong santri jong upnai me arja usan kani ka summit kade ka hampir na bro yang ini ban keren shibenta na kita ki kita content creators kani ki baju shna ki content ki video ban kiwe ki jingpemi ki video ha ki rynsan ki bapher la kalong ki platform social media ko ki YouTube ki Instagram ban kiwe te ban chu ko boru na keren ko na ko bor na thai ko bor unjo uba judan betala habro ni ki ar beta te hari khnyat panai khnyat sem ki maladan kadon kini ke junior fair isi la pano hapade jogata ka media social media la pano chuklo te but kadon kata ka jingkom smufu hangu ka sedang ka social media hangu ka good but hangu ka sedang pas ka media kumbalong ki lak thai khobor mat kiwe te rei kani ka summit ka ban long mat mata panai me kadai ka summit ka ba hampir ka ba lawan raksudi daga sorgar jong kerindiai ban penlong hangki berwan ra iki briu ka penlong hangki ka nomba berwan ra iki briu na kani ka audio visual and entertainment sector the media sector hi boroi la kalong kinong ho kubor la kalong kinong shna film la kalong kita ki content creators kinong shna video ki youtubers ki instagrammers pat ki ki kin wan lang ha ke ju rynsan bat smuthu bat tip yang kom long jong kata jing penni ya kita ki content ki berher ti kay pagpipila ban shem limba jo kani ko waves habai keren bagi content creators kalau ma pila ban shem shikun kita ki jing penyede dan kita networking ban kiwi balesi ki bala ra ya ka kamai kaji na bata jo kita kinong shna video hala kabor shidat dari the individual content creators berkunjung di filmmakers ban kiwi kadang kata kabagi kot ka Creative India Challenge kalau sedang dulu benai August macam sedang aja pusau but bentar kani kelabut but kadesang ke bentar ben announce no yang result ni ben benar no yang nongjob but kelawan kering hadu kuma pala pusau lak mut kini kilong ship bentar hagi bentar kau la kalau baca reel lagi baca poster lagi baca film lagi kunjung baca music kiba kidinya kiba buat pila share website job waves jadi kiba campaign show lesi lawan nabata job kini kiba share video happy day pat kini kesabit kalau ma kini kejaka kiba baru hai kiwan lan haju lalu ki promoters kiwan kita ki investors kiwan ada pide kita kita sedang lagi kepala dulu naslim hari ini bentar kemudian content creators kani summit kalaman penikendu ipi kita investors tang ni na por India train na porte hi por kowe ti ban kini competition ko kamne ke badai tang na kita India ni ka player na bata joki babun shikiwi paturi bala yoi ka participation joki babun hari competition but hakini ki south sansni kimbun kibanwan hakini ke sabit kindon ki film star berman Amitabh Bachchan bat ki film star kuber kibanwan hakini summit ki bala berman ai ya kita ki workshops kuber kiban ai lagi kita ki start jina ki tip la kalau filmmaking lagi la kalau harvey day bat ki penmi content bat kunta terter ti lada ya keren hi kum kita ki content creators khamtam lele habai day but kita kinok demi di content hakaktian jong mesi dari haka local dialect lesi lakono kadang scope mabut ha lakolong hikwa banchna ki content tang di jala jupri dari dampet kan naski kiwi ki jala bat ke khairu kalau kalat kabuk siar nomor ba tang bagi pila video tak pay per view mo ko bagi borok ini content creator ki julet dan bagi pila jadi YouTube at PO pay per view tinray kani kan pila ko ya video ki sponsorships pila video ki seal na kita ki bring ni investors nang ni kila seal ya kita ki content joki tang kata kan penyerap ni kuno pila shna ha ki content hakon bam ko badai ki hikai ko ki ai workshops ki bopier ya kuju ko poru na kalian joki nokto ko boru ki bobun kani ka ailat ru kani ka benta kani ka rynsan ka ailat ru yaki media startups nanta kan plena ru yaki media houses ki journalists ki bobun kiban tip khambon haki benta ko pier habai day berkucing pathai kubor habai day berkucing let's say haka benda joka entertainment la kalau benda joka production bat kiwe di nadadan kini kucing let's say la nak pilih haka sin to beniko to bengi yoi yang kata conversion dari kecingwan lang jong borok kita ki media let's say ki benda joka media hatta kumahan ni jok digital media dari kadi kebentar rynsan penwan lang borok ko jaga kami nila banian lang banyo manlan baghikai banyo lang ikujung toy na borok dia tadi mungkin
I started my journey way back in 2011 and during those years there were very few content creators and it's the lot of content creators and we were influenced by Western culture or people as those what before the stage it was knowledge and but as things as time went by things are more content creators coming up as well, throughout my whole journey of being a content creator, because content creation for me has a huge range. I've also done podcasts as well, and I'm influencer youtuber. The two main challenges. The first one is that financially is difficult for us. You can't sustain yourself financially because you get a few ads, you run away from here and there, but it becomes very difficult for us. And secondly, for us to be taken to the next level, it becomes very, very difficult. So we usually just end up making content here and just creating videos here. But with platforms that the state government has initiated, like Hello Meghalaya, it's given me an opportunity and many more like me to get selected to go for the Waves event. So a bit about Hello Meghalaya as well as an OTT platform, and it's given content creators like me to earn, and it's supported all of us, because back then, let's say the only people who get support are maybe people who have like government jobs or who work as engineers, doctors. But now content creators are getting financial aid. They're getting this film grant that just happened, whereby the government's giving money for them to make movies. So I'm one of the people who got selected to go to Wales, Bombay, which is a very big opportunity for me and many like us, because back then in 2018, I went to Bombay as an aspiring actor with big dreams, and I auditioned for many movies and many acts, but it didn't work out because of a lack of accessibility, lack of networking, and the language barrier. But now with this Wave Summit, with all the creators of the world being in one space, and with this Hello Meghalaya pavilion being there, who knows what might happen. Just the fact that we are in the same space with great personalities of the world, like great actors like Amar Khan will be there, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan. We have big marketing agencies that are going to be there, so it's going to be such a big opportunity for all of us. And I really like to encourage the central government to keep on going with this Wave Summit, because as Shah Rukh Khan had mentioned in his promotion video that he made for the Waves event, he said that if this Waves event had been initiated much before, a lot of big things would have been happening. It would have bridged the gap between all of us as well. Because from here, from Northeast to that gap is very big to access to Bollywood or to big places. So thank you so much to the central.
So first of all, when this competition got done and giving me the opportunity, yes, honestly speaking, when I moved to Shna, it's a huge fan of the movie. I thought it was going to be a low regarding speeds for all content creators, and I actually went through it and researched, and I saw that it's much more than that. Like speakers before us had already gave us a brief introduction about what it is all about. I'm just going to a little detail about the wave. So as you know, the wave is stands for World Visual and Entertainment Summit. It's all. So I know now that when I went to it, I learned I believe it's not just a platform, but it's a place where people from the media field, professionals, content creators, tech visionaries can come together in one platform to share their inputs, passions, and operations. And one of the good things is that Wave isn't just a content, it's the future of media and entertainment. So there is also when I saw this interesting thing about this entire exercise, a way where they had play those together. I think working with explaining online space where people come together to share ideas and to watch collaborations. And so I'm going to tell you a little bit about pillars of Wave. So Wave brings together a diverse range of stakeholders shaping the future of media and entertainment. So here's a brief overview of the key industry segments represented. So we have the broadcasting and entertainment. This segment encompasses the traditional and evolving landscape of information and entertainment, the prioritizing information, empowering citizens, evolving globally, and going global by adapting challenges of the. And we have, I mean, there are two sectors. One is the broadcast. the broadcasting which are traditionally up, and we have three regions are extended that can explore the cutting edge world of storytelling. And within this, we have animation, visual effects, esports, comic, and augmented reality, virtual reality. Then we have the digital media and information, a platform where a segment where I think each and every one of us belong to. Personally, myself, I belong to that segment, digital media and information. So this segment explores ever evolving digital landscape and its impact on entertainment consumption. So as I said, this we can include the social media platforms, OTT platforms, online creator economy, app economy, and now segment is film. This segment explores the world of filmmaking, production, and visualization. And in the way, we also have different activities, not just these platforms, not just this. We have like the way star, and we also have there's also you know, page where people, I mean, the content creators, the participants can interact with the global icons, with different stakeholders, and media and entertainment, to share their ideas and inputs, to ask questions, to watch elaboration and have like, because they have also files that are neat. Some of them is good about the way to start is the ultimate platform to connect with buyers and vendors. So this is the platform where you see if I am content and I have to do the I have platform to sell my potential buyers in cross. So what is the main objective and goal? The vision is to establish ways as global, leading global platform and right? The vision of India as a powerhouse for creativity, innovation, and communication. As you all know, that race will take place from the 1st of May to the 5th of May, and you will be center